Good evening again. I'll just wait for Pepper. Come on. Thank you very much. Right, so I've just been having a bit of a minor play, and this little board goes in, so you see which way up it is with the main power connectors at the bottom, and I'm fairly confident, and it is a bit of a bugger to fit in, but it goes in. I was a little bit sort of, oh, am I doing this right? But I discovered move that out of the way. In fact, it might just be advantageous actually to completely remove that connector at the minute. There we go. And it was a bit of a tight fit, I've got to be honest. It took me a few attempts. There we go. So it just sort of snapped in place like that. It's quite a tight fit. But that's how the charge board connects. So now you can see the connectors are through there. Oops. Still not entirely sure as to where they're going to go after the fact, but not to worry. The spring here, simply, and it's a pain this, it connects to that little nodule there, and then on the battery pack there. And I just sort of discovered that what you had to do was push it down really sort of quite firmly on here, and then it will sort of stay in the right place for you. And then if we turn this upside down and I line that up with there, I've put the stickers on as well, as you can probably see. We line it back up. And then it fits, there we go. Obviously I haven't screwed it together, but there we go. So you can see the connectors are there and the release mechanism works. And I must say, certainly doesn't feel any different to the original DeWalt. As you can see, it depresses below, so it's not going to catch. So yeah, I think so far that's gonna see it's springing apart. Tension of the spring is pushing it apart already, but I think that's a start. So as I say, when we get, I've emailed the company and asked them for some sort of proper wiring instructions. I'll print them out and I'll show them to you. They are pretty rubbish. It shouldn't be that difficult to figure them out, but if you go on the assumption that, you know, I have at least a basic idea of what I'm doing, somebody who doesn't, messing with a sort of pack of 1018 650s, that's quite a fire hazard. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and as I say, flipper videos will be coming up in a bit. Cheers, take care, bye bye.